Hello everybody, my name is Andrew from BrickMeisterZ, and I hope you enjoyed my video about LEGO Super Mario typing a letter to Princess Peach by using the LEGO Typewriter. And if you enjoyed this, you should check out my review of the LEGO Ideas Typewriter set. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you're new to the channel, please click that subscribe button and then click on the bell icon to turn on notifications to be updated on my content when I upload new videos for you guys. Please stay connected with me on Facebook, Reddit, and LEGO Ideas, and please support and vote for my LEGO Ideas projects by using the links in the description below. But that's it for now. I'll see you guys later. Peace out. Bye.